Hello, this is HPEDM manual truck. The truck diameter is 100 mm. It was compatible Erowa truck system perfectly. The accuracy is very high, up to 2 micro. Check it. This is test report. Yeah, accuracy 2 micro. The material is high quality stainless steel. The whole center distance is 200 mm as per customer requirements. We can also produce the distance as per your requirements. Yeah. How to use it? You need the whole electrode holder, brass electrode holder. Put on the put on the truck, and then motor test it. It tightens now. Yeah, and here was clipping workpiece. Yeah, like this. This is rectangular gauge pin to test the precision. This is another gauge pin, round gauge pin, like this. Yeah, put it. Warranty is 1 year. Price is good. Welcome to inquire. www.cncedmtool.com. Thank you.